Hi there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure the connection between your Xero account and Dataddo. To use the Xero connector, you'll just need to click on Add New Source on your control panel and choose from the list of available connectors. For this example, obviously we're connecting to Xero. If you're setting the connector for the first time, you'll be asked to authorize your Dataddo account with your Xero account. You just need to log into Xero and authorize it there. You may be asked to confirm the authorization within your email. Now that we're back in Dataddo, you can choose from one of the Xero connectors. Now, which one you select will depend on which data you want to work with. For example, we have a connector called Accounts, one called Invoices, and another for purchase orders. Now we'll set the following parameters to configure the connector. The mandatory field here is the Xero tenant ID. In order to get the list of all your tenant IDs, you can use the connector template Tenants. Click the tenant template, choose your authorized account, click Connect, and then save the source. Now you can see the list of your tenant IDs. Now simply copy the one you need, go back to your control panel and add a new source. Connect the Xero connector and choose from one of the Xero connectors here. We will go with Accounts. Now we'll paste our tenant ID. Choose from the authorized accounts and select which metrics and attributes we want to include in the data set. You can also automate this process. We'll click Retrieve Data, and we can see a preview of the data and how exactly it will be extracted. Now we'll click Save Source, and a new source is created and our data is in the system. Your source is automatically opened in Data Flow, where you can integrate your data with data from other sources outside of Xero, or send the data to a data warehouse, FTP server, or a BI or dashboarding tool like Tableau or Google Data Studio. See our other tutorial videos for help with data outputs. If you don't need to create a data flow now, you can find your new data source later on in the Sources section.